All right guys, today we're doing an unboxing video on our 2011 to current 6.7 billet intercooler. All right, so this is something we've had out for about a year and a half, 2 years now. Our 6.7 Power Stroke Billet Intercooler. We call it the book lung. There's reasons behind it. There's a bunch of information on the website about it. Check it out, read up on it. We also have a prior video where we dive into a few more details about it. If you're looking for a better cooling intercooler as far as the air goes, this is a great option. It's a drop-in 100% replacement intercooler that you're gonna immediately feel it in the seat of the pants. You get better air cooling, you gain horsepower. It's an awesome setup. One thing we wanna go over is how we package it today. And also we're gonna go over a change that we did for the 23 and up HO engine. So there was a little bit of a change when Ford came out with the new Super Duty, the body change, and when they brought out the HO engine, which has some more cooling stuff in the system. So we're gonna go over that and also show you how we package it. Let's go ahead and cut this thing open. And this is how you'll receive it. There's also a sticker on here on most of our products that talks about opening immediately, reporting anything that's missing. It's a good thing to do as soon as you get it. Even if you're not putting it on the truck, it's still good to do that. And then if it seems like anything's out of whack, you can let us know. So we use a sealed air packing machine where we actually pump our own mixture of foam into baggies and seal it up really nice. So that'll all be preset for you. So the first layer coming off there, you're gonna have any hardware stuff, whether it's fittings, etc. You're gonna have baggied up. And then in the HO, you're actually gonna have two lines in it. So you're gonna have a rubber line for the additional line that we added. And I'm gonna show you that here in a second. So we'll have that line. And then you're gonna have an additional silicone coolant line that will come with every intercooler to feed the bottom port on it. We'll go over that here real quick once we get this bad boy out of here. So as you can see, that's how it's going to look. So we'll go ahead and pop this out. We also really want to show you guys how much time we take in the packaging process to make sure it comes unharmed. So we actually put about $20 worth of fittings on this just to make sure it comes to you guys in proper shape. So the fittings that poke out at the widest points here, which would be these fittings here, we actually give you billet caps. So because of the way that these are designed, we put caps on them because if they pierce through the box, or you got UPS and FedEx, you know, dropping it from outer space onto concrete, you don't have to worry about something piercing and knocking the threads off of this. So just, you can keep them, use them on your race car, whatever. So that's those, and then you're obviously gonna get fittings along with this. So we'll go ahead and just cut this open, and then I'm gonna explain real quick the difference in the HO. So you're gonna get your normal hose ends, and these hose ends and clamps are designed to work with the hoses we provide. So that'll go on there like that. You're gonna have another hose end that goes on there. Obviously make your connection points. Now, difference between the HO and the standard intercooler. We add a fitting to the top of the tank here. So the upper tank has an additional fitting now it's an AN thread for a hose end. So the reason that we have to do this on the HO is they have coolant that runs through the compressor cover. So the secondary system runs coolant additionally through the compressor cover of the turbocharger to help with cooling. This is one of the connection points that we're using. So from the factory, there is a T-block that we actually eliminate when we run this hose down to the lower fitting. So what we're doing is we're making that up right here, give you a whole new line, really cut and dry, plug and play. It actually makes it a little cleaner under the hood. It looks better in my opinion. So, but yeah, so there you go. This is the construction of it. We have billet end tanks, a core that is a Garrett sourced core that we use and weld in-house. This thing's completely pressure tested before it leaves. We pressure test the air side and the coolant side. We will pressure check the coolant tanks. We'll weld those up first. We pressure check those before we even weld the air tanks on. So it actually gets done multiple times. We have multiple QCs. And when you get the intercooler, you'll see a dot on it, signifying that it's been checked and everything's good to go. So just wanted you guys to see what it looks like coming out of the box and the time that we take to make sure that from the packaging process, it's not going to arrive to you damaged. It is a very heavy item. So I hate to say this, but even though we take a lot of precautionary measures, sometimes they still end up damaging them. These are fully insured. We take care of the customer on it. We'll work with you guys if it shows up damaged. We'll get you another one out as quick as we can. But being it's such a heavy item, it can still happen. But we do take a lot of precautionary measures. And we wanted to show you guys what you're getting in the kit and what everything looks like and the updates on the HO. So if you have questions on maybe which intercooler you need, whether it's the HO or the standard one, give us a call. Be more than happy to help you. Email us, shoot a comment down below. If you like this content and want to see maybe more videos like this, let us know. We'd be more than happy to do that as well. And we will catch you on the next one.